Here you go. Here's my XCR 1200. Engine's out. And here's the engine. Doing a little bit of work on the clutch. Making sure everything's sealed up. Clutch plate. Starting on building everything up and protecting it with the outerwear. Changing clutch and the clutch spring to a 8,000 RPM clutch spring. And due to I got all my supplies in the mail, I'm gonna have some fun putting this baby together and tighten everything up for the springtime. So this is some of the work I'm doing right now on it. And as you see, engine's out on the table here. I'm getting ready to get busy. So until the next video, definitely will show you what's going on next. Till then, 2017. Peace.